My name is Jennifer Turcott, and this is IGL EcoClean Delete. Let's check it out. IGL EcoClean Delete is a specifically formulated cleaner with a strong acidic mixture. It softens the hard minerals that have been left off by water, such as acid rain or tap water on the surface. These minerals can now be removed without abrasives. EcoClean Delete removes water spots with minimal rubbing, safe for all painted and coated surfaces. Please note, if you are going to use uncoated surfaces, go lightly with the product. It does not need heavy pressure. EcoClean Delete can be used on windows, but make sure that if you're going on the window, you do it lightly. Do not use on windscreens, side mirrors, and laminated glass. When using on fresh water spots, dilute 1:1 with Delete and water. Stubborn water spots, use as is. Shake bottle well and drip some onto the IGL microfiber towel. Do not spray. Lightly buff the towel on the water spot stain. Rinse the area well with water and wash off the EcoClean Delete. Test first in an inconspicuous area to ensure the color fastness. Pro tip, make sure you're wearing gloves when using this product. For more information, visit iglcoatingsusa.com, or you can contact me directly at jturcott@iglcoatingsusa.com.